Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I'm super excited because we have a Hobby Lobby haul today. So without any further ado, let's get into this haul. Okay, so the first thing I got, a lot of this is on clearance and the Paper Studio items when I purchased all this were 50% off, so just keep that in mind. I already took this out of the packaging, obviously, but it was on sale for $2.49. So this is super cool. So this is what you get in it. You get this really cute paper clip. I think these are really fun. I don't necessarily like to use them in books, though, just because it's been my experience that they kind of, oops, you can't even see it, that they kind of wreck the pages, but I still think they're super cute, and I kind of like to have them around. I stick them in different places in my room or wherever for decor. And then it comes with two little postage notes, which are so adorable. I love the bright colors. So pretty. And then it comes with a bunch of note paper. Just says Happy Notes, and it's got this gorgeous rainbow design on the edge. And then it is a square grid, which is really fun. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that's what it is. And this is gonna be so fun. I think I'm gonna use this in like my my journal. And you get this really cute pocket that says "Keep on crushing it, girl. Keep on crushing it, girl." And it's super cute. Love the stars and like the little dots and rainbow. Very pretty. You get this little sticker sheet. It's a paper sticker sheet. It says like coffee date, remember to do, hello weekend. Really pretty. Vibrant colors, really fun. And then you get a bookmark tab. Is that what they call these? You can put it in and then you have a little tab. And it probably has plastic on it. But yeah, so you get one of these. This is really pretty. And it says, "Yes, girl." So, super fun. It's really hard to see it, but it says it right there. Alright, so that's the first thing I got. Let's look at what else I got here. This was on sale for $1.49, and it is these stickers. They're faith stickers. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here comes my cat. You may see her in a second. She's gonna help me show you everything. Hi, baby. Alright, so thank you, bunny. So you get these really pretty paper stickers. And I love this faith design that they came out with. They have a few different faith designs, but this one is gorgeous. To be honest, I like them all. But yeah, I'll just give you a really quick flip through of these. These are stunning. I love the Bible study stickers. Let's see. Some like longer stickers. Gratitude. Child of God, be still. Bible study. So yeah, those are super, super cool. And they have it so that you can stick it right into your planner. So that is really fun. And this is really pretty. This was on sale for $2.74. It is Agenda 52 by the Paper Studio. And just a real quick flip through. Very vibrant colors, very fun. And then this was 50% off from the Paper Studio. I'll go ahead and just take And the packaging, I love these postage notes. These are going to be so much fun, especially like in my Bible. And yeah, I just really think these are gorgeous. So I got those. I got these, sorry about the glare, really cute animal stickers for 50% off. I just thought these were adorable. Yeah, so cute. These stickers from the Paper Studio, also 50% off. Let's see, I got a whole bag here. I thought these tassels would be so fun in my Bible. And you get a few different colors here, some like pinks, greens, and yeah, I thought these were really cute. Half off because they were the Paper Studio. So really fun, and I'm excited to try those. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, baby. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to push you over there. Sorry, honey. Alright, so I have these really pretty bows that were on clearance. They were 49 cents, and I just thought these would be really fun at Christmas time. Yeah, so I got those. Their Christmas is 40% off, and this rainbow ornament was in the Christmas section, and I just thought it was so stunning. I love pastels, and it reminds me, of course, of Genesis and, you know, God's promise to us to never flood the earth again, and just makes me think of God. So I thought it was really pretty, and so I got that, and this was 40% off in the Christmas section. It's originally $4.99. Let's see. Trying to reach down and grab it. I got this washi tape. It's from the Paper Studio. I thought it was so pretty. It reminds me of some other washi tape I have, but I love the flowers and the greenery, and then this black and white washi tape there. It was 40% off. Thanks, baby. And I've been eyeing this particular washi tape for a while, and I decided to get it, so I did. So I've probably hauled this cross before. I think it's so pretty. In fact, I'm looking at the one I own straight across from me. You can't see it, but so yeah, I have purchased this before, but I got this for my mom because I just think it's so pretty. And yeah, I'm gonna give that to her. And she picked up a few washi tapes because they're half off. And do they smell pretty good? So she got these, which are so pretty. Here, I've got 3 different ones here. These are really pretty pastel, shiny, like metal looking washi tapes for half off from the Paper Studio. All 3 of these are the Paper Studio. And these like also metal looking, like silver and metallic and really pretty washi tape, super thin. And these silver washi tapes, really fun. I'll put that in a pile so I remember to give that back to her. And I have a couple more things here. One more thing, actually. Didn't mean to lie, but I have one more thing. These really pretty stickers. Sorry about that glare. These were Paper Studio too, so they were 50% off. And they have like little verses. Come near to God and he will come near to you. James 4:8. And they have some different ones. Super, super cute. So that is everything that I was able to pick up in my Hobby Lobby haul. I may be adding another smaller haul because I might be going back next week. So if so, you'll see that very shortly. I got the Happy Notes. All of the Happy Planner stuff was on 40% off this trip. So this is the back of the Happy Notes. So this is the cover that comes on the Happy Notes. Sorry about that glare. I put it on my planner just because I think it's so pretty. So this is what the cover for the Happy Notes would look like. So just ignore this because this is the planner cover. I switched them. I hope that makes sense. But this is the Happy Notes, and what it is inside is you get 3 dividers and a whole bunch of paper. And here's the paper. It has like little dots on it. It's very plain. It's just lined paper. And here are the dividers. Your happiness should be a priority. Follow your heart. Love that it's pretty on the other side. Can you see that? Has like a really gorgeous design on the back of the divider as well for this Happy Notes. And this is originally $10.99, so 40% off of that. Pretty good price. And like I said, this is the cover for the Happy Notes. I just really wanted that on my planner, so I put that on my planner. And I did already film this, and for some reason the footage did not take. So their paint this week is on 30% off, and so I got some different paints. I got one more. So I got these just because I love using these in my Bible art journal. And yeah, 30% off of your paints. Not too bad at all. I got these really pretty colors. So yeah, I got those. I also got these really cute little tabs. These are by the Paper Studio, but these guys were in a little packet and they were on clearance for, I believe, about $1.24. And I just thought they were too cute, and I love how unique they are. I thought these would be fun in my Bible. That one really cute. Put that like on Genesis or something, I don't know, but I just thought super cute, and so I purchased those. So that is everything I bought on this trip to Hobby Lobby. I hope you enjoyed the combined haul, and thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos like this from me and other hauls and DIYs and all kinds of stuff, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified the next time I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. Until next time, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.